Hey, I'm Leanne with Sterling Fleet Outfitters, and today's Get More Done moment is showcasing an NV200 here with a outfitting package including a mesh safety partition to keep the driver and passengers safe from any moving cargo. And we've got a 1/2-inch premium rubber floor mat with the checker plate aluminum sills here just to give it a nice finished look, prevent any tripping hazards. And then we've got the fold-away shelving unit here to help maximize space in this small vehicle. When there's nothing that needs to go on the shelving, you can fold up the shelving trays, get them out of the way, and maximize the cargo area just like that. If you like what you see, give us a shout or check out our website and contact us. Our number is 604-576-2300. Thank you.